Hey guys, what's up? Before we get this video going, I wanted to kind of explain just real quick. I didn't really record as much as I wanted to, and I didn't say as much as I wanted to. I didn't vlog as much. Reason being, a day before I made the video, I lost a family member in a motorcycle accident. For you guys that follow me on Instagram, you know this already, but it happened a day before I shot this video, so my mind was a little preoccupied, and it pretty much took all the excitement for me away from buying a new motorcycle. Some things are just more important than, you know, buying bikes. I forgot to do a lot of things in the video. I just wasn't in the mood to film. I really wasn't in the mood to vlog. But I threw it together anyway because I owe it to you guys, you know, for you guys that enjoy my content to watch my videos. So I apologize that it's probably not the best quality that I've ever put out, but I still had fun making it. I just, you know, I had stuff on my mind that was more important, I guess. So anyway, with that being said, here's the video. We are on our way to go look at another motorcycle. Aren't we, babe?
We are. It's raining.
It's 4 hours away from us, and it's raining. So if I buy this motorcycle, I'm gonna have a really long day.
I'm not.
She'll be tucked in the comfort of her Jeep. Stick around.
3 hours later.
Let's go see if they got this bike.
What's up, Brian?
Hey, how's it
Eric,
going?
how you doing?
Nice to
Yeah,
meet
come
you.
on in.
Thanks, man. Yeah, we got it.
Get her shined up. I'm gonna check it. I like it. Alright, rock and roll.
Okay, I'm gonna cut in for a second because this salesman was freaking awesome. He was super outgoing, nice as hell, very accommodating. I am a very picky person, and I'm also a very frugal person, and he put up with me trying to get the price down as much as I could and nitpicking little things on the bike that I didn't want to see when I got up there to get it because it was a 4-hour drive and I didn't want to be surprised by anything. Dude was totally cool with all of my nitpicking. So Eric, if you're watching this, man, thank you. I know I'm kind of hard to deal with once in a while, so I wanted to say I appreciate you dealing with me and just putting up with my shit.
Yeah! Awesome. We can get... Hey guys, Eric from Los Hills. We got Brian here. Got this 2015 Street Bop. Check out that black denim. Man, this one is clean. How was everything for you today?
That was great.
Yeah! I want to welcome the Los Hills family. Ring that bell!
Congratulations.
Nobody else got outside. Nobody else got on you. Nobody else got outside. Nobody else.
We finally made it home. It was a 13-hour day for us. Got up super early and headed to Iowa. Did a little test ride. The bike handled great. It's definitely not a touring bike, but that's not what I bought it for. Yeah, it ran really good and it's nice and smooth, and it was sexy the whole time. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. It was a little different than what I normally do just because my head's not really in it, but I appreciate it if you made it this far. So we'll see you in the next video.